In the past you talked about the importance of cooperation and using that past time, Srila Prabhupada, if you love me, you'll cooperate.
Cooperate, yeah.
How do we practically take steps so that we can cooperate with each other and hence achieve things for Krishna?
For the sake of your love for Srila Prabhupada.
How do we actually do it? So the motivation is there, but the practical steps to kind of achieve that.
You see, cooperation, whatever is going to enhance the mission of Srila Prabhupada, we must, whether we like it or not, whether we can work it together with others or not, we should do it for the benefit of the institution. Like for example, a temple is being built and you are a mason. They have invited you to come and work for the temple, to build the temple. But you found that the site engineer, devotee though, is a very difficult person. So your tendency will be, I can't work with it. Let me just leave. But then you think, well, Prabhupada wanted me to cooperate. Even though I do not like that person, but he is actually serving Srila Prabhupada also, in his capacity as a site engineer. So whether I like him or not, but because he is serving Srila Prabhupada and building the temple for Srila Prabhupada, let me just carry on rendering my service. That is necessary. So that is cooperation. And displaying our love for Srila Prabhupada through our spiritual